Have you guys ever heard of an eye primer and what exactly the eye primer does? Let me just show you. So today I'm using this Beauty Relay London eye primer. Obviously, it's a primer, so it will be applied before any other products. So I'm taking this much amount of product and applying it only on my one eye. Blending it nicely. Okay, just look at that. You guys can see the difference. One side of my eye looks oily while the other looks matte. Now I'm applying concealer just for base for my eye makeup. Look carefully. One side of my eye looks creased. The other one with the Beauty Relay eye primer looks matte. Very useful product those who have oily eyelids and for those who have normal eyelids. By using this Beauty Relay eye primer, your eye makeup will be long lasting. This Beauty Relay eye primer is must have and you guys have to try this eye primer.